Hey guys, if you want to make passive income online, then this is the video for you, because in this video I will talk about 5 quick and easy ebook ideas for beginners that you can create today to make money online. I will show you the problem and the solution ideas, which will be your ebook, of course. I will also tell you where you can easily get done for you ebook template that will help you create your ebook much faster and make the whole process much easier. So guys, I do have a surprise for you. So guys, you have to watch till the end if you want the surprise. Okay guys, so we're looking at ebook ideas for moms, stay-at-home moms, little ebooks that you can sell to their fellow stay-at-home moms, right? So we will jump into the problems right now. So a problem that stay-at-home mom usually have is managing the household chores, and the solution is an efficient home cleaning, a stay-at-home mom's guide, right? So stay-at-home moms, they often struggle to stay on top of the household cleaning and organization. So if you create an ebook with cleaning schedule, tips, and organization hacks to help mom keep their homes clean and clutter-free efficiently, then you will make money. Okay, of course you'll make money. So an idea for this is that you can advise on decluttering and organizing your living spaces. Another idea for an ebook is cleaning product recommendation and DIY cleaning solution. And another idea is strategies for involving children in age appropriate chores. How about that? Of course that will take out the pressure. So problem number 2, right? So a problem that stay-at-home moms always face is meal planning, of course. And as a mom, I experience that even today. So the solution is meal planning mastery for moms. So coming up with meal plans that are healthy and family friendly can be a challenge for any mom. So if you offer an ebook with meal planning strategies, recipes, and grocery tips for busy moms, that will be a plus. So an idea for a book is recipes for easy, healthy, and budget-friendly family meals. Another idea is grocery shopping tips, including saving money and reducing food waste. Do you see how easy this is? Okay, it's very easy, and I hope you guys take this into consideration. So guys, if you're already getting value, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, okay? So another problem is finding me time. I know as moms, we often find it hard to find the me time, to spend time with us, to spend time by ourselves, self-care tips and, things that we should be doing to help reduce the stress from the home. So finding me time is definitely a problem. So let us look at the solution. What about self-care secrets? So you need to, prioritizing for moms is often neglected, of course. So prioritizing you, right, as a mom is often neglected. Okay, so self-care due to their busy schedules will definitely be a problem. So what you can do is create an ebook that will guide moms on incorporating self-care routines and relaxation techniques into their daily lives. Okay, so an idea for an ebook would be the importance of self-care and its impact on overall well-being. And another idea is self-care ideas and activities that fit into a busy mom's schedule. Guys, you see how easy it is, right? What about stress management techniques and relaxation exercises for moms? So all of this would help with the me time, okay? Definitely, I will see a lot of moms buying this ebook. Number 4, a problem is balancing work and family. What about working moms? Right? So solution is work at home mom guide to work-life balance. Right? So you see, moms working from home often struggle to balance work and family life. We all know that. So if you develop an ebook with time management strategies, productivity tips, and setting boundaries while working from home, so that will be a plus to moms. Okay, so an idea for an ebook would be time management tips for balancing work and family responsibilities. Another ebook idea will be creating productive home office space. One more, One more will be strategies for setting work boundaries and maintaining focus. So you guys, these are so good, very good ideas. You can snatch these now and start creating your item, right? Start creating your ebook today, all right? Okay, another problem, number 5, is child behavior management. Oh, definitely. So a solution for something like that will be positive parenting. So positive parenting will be a solution for this. So navigating child behavior and dealing with challenging child or children behavior is a common concern. So you can write an ebook offering insights and techniques for managing child behavior in a positive and effective way. Okay, so my idea for this will be understanding child development and behavior patterns. And another idea that you can create today is effective discipline techniques and positive reinforcement strategies. Do you see this? Are you seeing this? Guys, please tell me below if you will be creating an ebook on any of these ideas, because these ideas are just juicy. Okay guys, so let me show you where you can easily get your templates. You go to www.instantwrites.com and you go to shops and PLR ebooks. So you click on PLR ebooks and you choose an ebook template that will work for you. Of course, the boho one can work for any niche, so you can customize that to any niche. And you can also use the Airbnb ebook idea. I will also give you 20% off on any item you want in the store. Okay, so I will put the discount code down below in this video. So guys, I have a surprise for you. I have all of this information, right, with more great ideas for digital products that you can create, plus topic ideas for your digital products and ideas of what should be inside the digital product. So all the juicy information is down below. Okay, so if you want to know how to create an ebook quickly, then check this video next.